it's your Geli Mamma here, and I'm back working with the fabulous Kiki London today to show you how I created this freehand cherry blossom look. And this is part of the seasons series that I'm going to be doing, so I will have a playlist, so I'll leave links to that so you can go and check out any other designs that will be going on there as well. So I've kind of like customed this polish, this base, because I didn't quite have the colour that I wanted. So I basically mixed these two colours together, which is Cool Mint and Baby Boy. And it still quite wasn't the colour that I was going for, so then I came in with this Zesty Blue and mixed all that together. I kind of wanted it in between of the Zesty Blue and the Cool Mint. Like, I didn't want it as light as the Cool Mint, but I didn't want it as dark as the Zesty Blue. So that's how I came up with this colour, which I do actually really, really love. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a couple of coats now and curing in the lamp with each layer. But what's your thoughts on this colour? Do you like it? I certainly do. So then I'm going to be doing the branches first. So I am using chocolate melt, which is a gorgeous brown colour. And basically I'm just going to add that line going across. I'm going to make it a bit thicker at the edge. And then once I'm happy with that, I kind of just have some like offshoots that come off it. So I basically did this on all of the nails, but obviously did the offshoots in, a different order, just to add that little bit of variety to the, the look of the mani. So then I'm coming in with these polishes. So I'm using a dotting tool. I'm basically just adding little dots here and, just going to be building up the colours really. So you will need to cure these in between each layer so they don't all like muddy together. So I used a variety of their pinks. So all of the names of the polishes will be in the description box below. So be sure to check that out if you want to be using these exact same polishes that I'm using today. So yeah, I'm just dotting it around. And I'm coming in finally with this colour. So I know at the moment it kind of just looks like a blob, but it does all come together in the end once you cure it. Oh, I don't know what's going there. I like multiple transitions going on. So I'm going to show you with a glossy version first. So I was really happy with how this turned out. I do really think it's such an elegant and a chic look. And obviously it's really easy to achieve as well with gel polish. So I'll just show you at a different angle with the glossy top coat. And then off camera I did apply the matte. And I think for photo purposes, I prefer the matte, but actually looking at it in the flesh, I prefer the glossy finish. But I mean, I do like both, to be honest. But I'd like to know your thoughts. Which do you prefer, matte or glossy? And would you recreate this mani? If you do, tag us in on Instagram at Gelulicious and also at Kiki London Nails as well. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.